Welcome back to this new video. So here in this video I will be showing about the website which I was working on, and presently it has got completed. So here in this video I will be showing the website which I have made, and I have put a lot of efforts in it because it was my first website which I was making using HTML and CSS. So let's get started by looking with that website. So here is my website. Actually I have done it as a basis of project, not as to upload in Google. This is a website. I have named my brand as SciMart. I don't know whether it's going to work out not, but here you can see this is the panel where we have 1 2 3 4 5 pages over here. Number 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see the hover effect. This is called the hover effect. Whenever you just bring your mouse on that, it will just show the transition, right? So this is basically a food website, food recipe website, where a lot of recipes can be found on this website. Basically I have done this for the purpose of a project one. Okay, taste like ever before. Okay, here you can see the hover effect also here. Okay, now let's move down slowly. Okay, here we have, see, look at here, we have food we offer. This is the second category, catalog, where it has been displayed about the food which is offered there: Indian, French, Italian. So here also you can see a light hover effect on it. Whenever you just bring the cursor on it, it's just showing the shadow, right? Okay, let's move on. So this is the best part of the website, I feel. So here you can see these are the recipes. So the magic over here is it's having a very wonderful hover effect. Let's see, wow, amazing, right? So the name which is written down is not actually the right one. I have just randomly picked some of the names and randomly picked some of the images from the Google and just used here, because I'm really not a foodie to know all those things. See, here you can see the hover effect over here, wonderful hover effect. So let me know your thoughts on this. How was the website in the comment section? Okay, moving down. So here you can see the websites. I have named it as popcorn masala, vegetable salad, paneer salad, even though it doesn't match with the real image. Funny, right? Okay, here you can see these are the experts, the chefs. Actually the funniest part, see, both are Romeo and Juliet. These two have an experience of 12 years with a handful of magic with a lot of varieties. Okay, and this is Nikita. I don't know who is actually Nikita. I have got random image from the Google and used here. So this is the testimonial side, where you will be getting the feedbacks of the people who have gone through your recipes, or who might have tasted your recipes. Though this is the testimonial side, where we will have the review feedback. Okay, these are the feedback. Now coming down, get order at your door now. So it is just the footer part of the website. There will be header and as well as the end part is footer. So this is the footer part. Okay, and coming down, the about us. Okay, so this is not where our website actually ends. Actually we have 1 2 3 4 pages. So now presently we are at the home page. Now let's go to the about page. So here you can see this is the about page. It's basically about the company, I mean SciMart. We serve the common taste. Yes, we serve the common taste. See, this is the about us page. Explore now. I'm not clicking on those buttons because they are not well structured to navigate you somewhere. I have told you that this is just a purpose of project one. So moving on, next, this is our menu page. Let's see what's there in menu. So here you can see diverse in taste, and coming down here we have food we offer: Indian, French. That was the same part which you have actually seen in the home part. That is the part. So basically the home is complete the full structure of pages, where separately will be given as this, again the same which you've seen in the home. But if you want mainly specifically about the menu, you can go here. Now coming down, we have here blog. Okay, now order is at your doorstep. Wow. So here you can see these are the prices. Dosha 20, idli 48, puri 68, vada 28, pani puri 56, cold drinks 89, coffee 23, tea 5. Oh my god, tea 5. One of the most favorite part of Indians is always the tea. Okay, coming down, this is actually a blog, right? So we will have article right here. This is completely the article, and here we have a comment section where you can just comment your views. Okay, then post it, your email ID, your comment. Okay, coming down, this is just the about part. Then coming to the last one, contact us page. Here we will have the contacts of the SciMart, I mean the company which is running this website. So here you can see the location of the place where this actually the restaurant or whatever it might be located. Coming down, this is XYZ road. Hello, this is all actually about the location. Here you can enter your name, email address, subject, message that you want to send to the company, and just send the message. And it's not just like you have learned coding today and you have built this website. It takes a lot of effort, and you must be very consistent in this. You should be learning daily, on a daily basis. If you should be just denoting a certain time for coding if you want to excel in that field. Now it's just a small part of the technology, and building website is quite easy, but many of you feel hard because of that. Because the reason is that you don't get started with that. Rather you just keep on learning languages, but you never ever start doing project. When you do project, just you will understand the place where you are going to implement that. Okay, so this is all about the website which I have made. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.